Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you all how I was able to edit this image and still get the natural look after the editing. So I'm going to show you my simple way of retouching and still having the natural looking skin. So just watch. So you see the environment, everything is changing, and the picture is becoming so cool. You see, so you can see. So you see how look natural. The skin tone, the skin texture, the skin tone, everything look natural. So you see before and after. Let me zoom it out so you can see very well. Before and after, before and after. So this is how I was able to retouch this image, and the full video of my retouching is on my YouTube channel. You can follow my YouTube channel, then watch the full video. If you are looking for someone to collaborate with on your photo editing, our big main discount is currently going on right now. Send us a DM and book your slots down right now. Book your slot down so that we can help you handle your photo editing professionally. So your photo deserves the best. So send us a DM and we will edit your choice for you. We do plastic editing, natural editing, all editing you need. We do my background manipulation and the rest. So if you are looking for someone to collaborate with or looking for an editor to collaborate with, we are always open to handle your work. Send us a DM now to book your slots.